Good day, everybody. Today BC Auto has a 2017 Canyon Denali 4-door crew cab with a 6-foot bed, 3.6 liter four-wheel drive with 52,000 miles. We will not be able to run this guy because it has an oil pan. It does have an electrical issue. Beautiful black color. Looks like it blew all the bags, driver's seat, curtain, steering wheel, dash. You can see there at the odometer, 52,457. Nav, OnStar, heated seats, fully loaded Denali. If you're looking for any Canyon parts, check us out at bcauto.net. Have a good day, guys. See ya.